Hey guys, summer's here.
Time for fun, relaxation, and soaking up the sun.
But don't let loose completely. It's the perfect time to prioritize your health.
Think of summer as a chance to reset and recharge. With longer days and warmer weather, you have more opportunities to engage in healthy habits. Remember those New Year's resolutions you made?
Summer is a fantastic opportunity to get back on track.
Let's explore some simple, effective tips to make this your healthiest summer yet.
Staying hydrated is crucial year-round, but it's even more critical during the summer months.
Why?
Because we lose more fluids through sweat when it's hot. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even heat stroke.
Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle everywhere and sip on it throughout the day.
Not a fan of plain water? Infuse it with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Summer is a season of abundance when it comes to fresh fruits and vegetables. Take advantage of nature's bounty. Watermelon, berries, peaches, and melons are not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants.
Load up on salads with leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers.
They are hydrating and provide fiber, keeping you feeling full and energized. Remember, a healthy diet is your foundation for a healthy summer. Section 4. Beat the heat. Smart summer workouts. Don't let the heat derail your fitness goals. There are plenty of ways to stay active during summer without overheating.
Early mornings and evenings are cooler times to exercise outdoors. Try swimming, biking, or brisk walking.
If you prefer indoor workouts, join a gym or explore online fitness classes. There are countless options available.
Listen to your body. Take breaks when needed and stay hydrated throughout your workout.
Section 5. Sun protection. Your skin's best defense.
We all love a little sunshine, but too much exposure can be harmful to our skin.
The sun emits ultraviolet, UV, rays that can cause sunburn, premature aging, and increase the risk of skin cancer. Protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays by taking simple yet effective measures. Sunscreen is your first line of defense. Apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, even on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate through clouds, so it's important to stay protected regardless of the weather.
Reapply every 2 hours,
especially after swimming or sweating.
Water and sweat can wash away sunscreen,
leaving your skin vulnerable. Wear protective clothing, such as hats, sunglasses, and lightweight long-sleeved shirts and pants when spending extended periods outdoors. These items can provide an additional barrier against UV rays.
Remember, prevention is key when it comes to skin cancer.
By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the sun safely and keep your skin healthy.
Regularly check your skin for any changes and consult a dermatologist if you notice anything unusual.
Section 6. Little changes, big impact.
You don't have to overhaul your entire lifestyle to stay healthy this summer.
Small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new habits into your routine each week.
Once they become second nature, add a few more. Focus on consistency rather than perfection.
It's okay to have an off day now and then. Just get back on track the next day. Celebrate your successes along the way. Every step you take towards a healthier you is worth celebrating. Set small, achievable goals that you can easily integrate into your daily life. Track your progress to see how far you've come. Share your journey with friends or join a support group to stay motivated. Engaging in group activities can make the process more enjoyable and less daunting. Experiment with new healthy recipes to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Balance work and leisure to maintain a healthy lifestyle without feeling overwhelmed. Reflect on your journey regularly to appreciate your progress and stay inspired. Plan your next steps and set new goals to keep moving forward. Remember, every little change you make brings you closer to a healthier, happier life. Section 7. Embrace a healthy summer. Summer is a time for joy, adventure, and making memories. It's the perfect season to explore new places, try new activities, and spend quality time with loved ones. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, swimming in the ocean, or simply enjoying a picnic in the park, summer offers endless opportunities for fun and relaxation. By prioritizing your health, you'll have the energy and vitality to enjoy every moment.
Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day.
especially when you're out in the sun. Hydration is key to maintaining your energy levels and keeping your body functioning optimally. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, which are not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporate a variety of colorful produce into your meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Get moving by engaging in outdoor exercises like jogging, cycling, or even a fun game of beach volleyball. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Protect your skin by applying sunscreen with a high SPF, wearing protective clothing, and seeking shade during peak sun hours. Sun protection is vital to prevent skin damage and reduce the risk of skin cancer. Make gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain long-term. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. This summer, I challenge you to make your health a priority. Set achievable goals, track your progress, and celebrate your successes. Whether it's drinking more water, eating more greens, or committing to a daily workout, every step counts. You deserve to feel your best, both inside and out. Taking care of your health will not only enhance your summer experience but also improve your overall quality of life. Embrace the season with a positive mindset and a commitment to your well-being. Now, go out there and have an amazing, healthy summer. Enjoy the sunshine, cherish the moments, and make this summer your healthiest and happiest one yet. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.